Hey guys, Nick from Rustic Deco Incorporated here, and today I'm going to be going over the features of our harvester table base. Located on the back of the table and at each end are two locking bolts used to secure this upright from moving. To adjust the table, simply back these bolts out. Use the crank wheel to adjust the table to your desired height, and then re-engage these locks to hold the upright in place and prevent any movement. Located on the front of the harvester base is the crank wheel used to adjust the table up and down. Just please make sure to loosen the locking bolts on the back of each upright, otherwise you could damage the product while adjusting it. Located on the underside of each upright are two small bolts used during assembly. These might become loose during shipment and cause this to rotate or move. To fix this, simply take an Allen wrench and retighten these bolts to secure the T in place. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, just give us a call at 865-357-3876 or shoot us an email at customer.care@rusticdeco.com.